What's him? You can see my tail.
Oh shit.
We will dance.
Baby, I can see your halo.
It was bad. You kept me waiting for half an hour. I was waiting for you outside.
I'm sorry. I was calling with my mom.
Okay.
Yes.
What was she saying?
She was talking about crypto.
Oh. She's a like millionaire or something. Crypto millionaire. Huh? Bitcoin.
Hey, you want to see my wallet?
Huh? Crypto wallet.
Yeah.
Guys, I just got to know she's really rich. She's really rich. I just saw her wallet. She was like, please turn the camera off. I won't show it to the public. Really rich.
Stop spreading fake news.
So guys, we are back on the road.
Back on the road. Look at the road. No, stop. I'm telling you. Stop.
You hate me. You hate me.
No, stop.
You hate me.
Ah!
You hate me. Take those words back.
Okay, take it back.
You hate me.
Help me.
Repeat after me.
Okay.
मैं बहुत मुंडी बजा लूंगी स्कूटी.
मैं बोर में बारबेन वो स्कूटी
गोवा बहुत हरा भरा है.
पूरा भरा है.
Say this in German like Goa is really green.
Goa ist super. Nee, Goa ist wunderschön.
Goa Shambashin.
Ja.
Goa Shambashin, right? Guys, I'll tell you one thing. My phone storage is always full. You know why?
Because he thought that his YouTube videos that are on his YouTube already uploaded are stored on his phone.
वो जो
So I
catch होते हैं,
told
हाँ.
him to offload the app. And yeah, now he has 150 GB. Look at the street.
Yeah.
Yeah,
अब
you
जब
can also call me Liz, the tech consultant.
yeah.
Oh my God, there's a cow! Film the cow! Film the cow! Film the cow! Film the cow! Film, there's a cow! There's a cow in the street.
You don't see cow.
Dude.
You don't see cows in Germany, huh? Huh? You don't see cows in Germany?
No, I mean yes, but they look different. Because in Germany they cut the horns. Here they have the horns.
Here people are really smart and handsome. In India and cow as well. Yeah. Guys in Germany are pretty.
And the cow is holy.
Yeah. Tell me one thing. Guys in Germany are pretty just like us.
Yeah.
She's like obviously more prettier than you.
I didn't say that.
You were like
Oh,
thinking.
what's that? Is that a goat? Or is that also a cow?
This is also a cow.
It's also cow.
But you were thinking that inside, right?
Are you fishing for compliments?
No, but still.
You have to go to the left. To
Okay.
the left, to the left. To the left, to the left. To the left.
Repeat after me. Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raj.
She gonna sit on the road.
Nij man mukur sudhare.
She nanda na gusto na rare.
Varnav Raghubar Bimal Jasu.
But I'm not really
Jodayak Falchari. Jodayak Falchari.
That's a cow.
Jodayak Falchari.
What?
Jodayak Falchari.
Chodarak Fochari.
Like my blank face is like guys this. I'm like this. My model face is this. How you have seen her face? See her face. She's like see. Make a poker face. Don't laugh for 2 seconds. Don't laugh. Be serious. ये बात. ये बात.
What up?
What up?
Yebat?
ये बात.
Yebat?
Yeah.
Yebat.
What's happening?
What's it called? Where are we going?
We are going to a really nice cafe, guys.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm so hungry. We only had breakfast today.
Lunch नहीं करा तुम्हारे भाई ने. You know I know Italian.
Oh, say it. I know Niente Italiano.
I know.
Now
Mama.
you have to play my song Niente Italiano. I speak Niente Italiano, Niente Italiano.
Repeat after me. Like see my Italian. Mama sito pomatina, Italiana, Brasiliana, pizza, passata, risotto.
Brasiliana, you know they speak Portuguese, right? It's like Goa. It was colonialized by the Portuguese. It's not
Go.
Italian.
I am just speaking Italian. I know. Goa was colonized by Portuguese. So guys, you want some flying kiss from my side, right? And from her side?
Mwah.
They are asking for more flying kisses.
Yeah, go to the right here.
I wanna have 2 more bananas. Or let's have food.
I'm hungry. I can't just eat bananas all day.
So guys, this is Arambol. Okay guys. Her name is Billo. बिल्लो
Billu.
बिल्लो
Billu.
Yeah.
Oh, look, she's in the middle of the street.
ये हमारी बिल्लो है भाई और यहाँ की गाय के सींग है देख रहे There's a cow in India, it's known as Kamdhenu cow.
Kamdhenu cow.
Kamdhenu, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Like if you'll see it, you'll become a millionaire.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Where is it?
Huh?
Where is it?
Yeah, it's close by to Krishna. So you have to go up.
Okay.
Up as in like apart from this world.
How far? Oh.
Jai Shri Ram.
Ashiram.
No, Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
I just told you one thing to do.
Telling
Just
you
tell-
the way?
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you not do? Telling you the way? Yeah, I know. I was distracted by the cows. Okay, we have to go to the left. Maybe here.
You wanna take me somewhere isolated, huh?
Am I gonna kidnap you?
मैं ट्वाइस इन नेचर भाई नेचर में लग रहा है तो यही होगा भाई
Lock?
या आई थिंक सो
Yeah.
आई थिंक सो आई डोंट नो
Guys, it's closed.
बट द वाइब्स आर नाइस वी कैन कम हियर इन द लेट इन द नाइट
Yeah. It's open at like 7:30, and look, like they have like a setup for music and stuff. So
Yeah.
maybe there's on stage.
Oh, we can
I
dance.
can sing.
Oh, you can sing.
Una samosa.
Guys, you know she's a singer. You know that, right? She's a famous singer. Her song was shared by Shahid Kapoor. Una samosa, do samosa. पता नहीं भाई.
What god is this?
Yeah, tell me. Ganesha. He's the son of Shiva. Yeah. So I am a little bored. So give me some content, okay? It's in your hands. So guys, if you have an extroverted friend and you both are vlogging, it's a nice thing. Because when you're bored, your friend can vlog. Hey Liz.
Oh, but
Yeah, take
I think you did such a good job at this. No, I have to do it? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna walk. I'm not getting enough exercise. Guys, I haven't exercised in a long, long time. Today that's gonna change.
Hey, you want some lift? Hey, you want any lift? I just saw you from there. You look really cute. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? अरे बैठ जा मैडम. अरे बैठ जा मैडम. अरे घुमा लो. अरे बैठ जा मैडम बैठ जा. तुम आ जा. Sit. I'll drop you somewhere, babe. You look really pretty. What's your name? Do you have any boyfriend or something? आजा 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 आजा. कहाँ जाएगी हमारे बिना जाने मन कहाँ जाएगी सिट 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 कम सिट या सिट 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 या ओ समोसा una samosa samosa
Para
samosa
mí hermosa y también preciosa.
that was nice let's see
Yeah.
yeah
There are a lot of nice clothes here. To be fair, I shop a lot, but I don't buy a lot. So is it really that bad?
you just go inside and just see
No, I also buy, but not so much.
so we'll have a miss God bless you
Thank you.
you which I bless you Utkarsh bless you
You know what my mom always says? If you sneeze once, she says health. The second time, she wishes you beauty.
okay
And the third time, she wishes you intelligence.
So guys, we are trying Goa thali for the first time. It's known as Goan thali. Yeah. Excited? This is papad. This is samba. This is I don't know mata something. This is I don't know what is this. This is curd.
Wait, maybe we should ask. We should know what we're trying.
No, we should try and then we should know by eating. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Start.
I already learned last time is you take this,
Yeah.
you make a little scoopy with it,
Yeah.
and then you take the sauce like this.
भाई सब दाल है दाल अरे भाई कैसी
हाँ.
दाल है यार इस दाल है कैसे
It's green, yellow lentil, eh? Dal.
Okay Isha, now try this.
No, it's nice. I
It's
like
nice.
it. Dal is one of my favorite Indian dishes.
Dal, you like dal?
Yeah, dal with rice. You know, one of the girls that I lived with in Mumbai, she made rice with dal.
Rice with khichdi.
No. rice
Huh?
and then yellow dal.
Oh,
Yeah. And I think it was the best thing that I ate in Mumbai. It's my favorite thing. Okay, next.
shout out your friend.
Shout out to Monaki.
Yeah.
Monaki, if you see this, I like your dal. And I miss you.
Yeah.
And I also miss you.
Mosami juice.
Thank you. Okay, so next one. What is the name?
सब्जी सुक्का भाजी किससे बनती है?
ग्रीन पीस
हाँ।
और गोभी.
अच्छा गोभी दिख रही है. दाल
And this?
सांबर. Yeah,
Okay,
now.
now the hot sauce.
Okay.
Spicy challenge.
This is
Yes.
achar. This is achar.
If you've been following me from the beginning, you know the spicy challenge. You remember the spicy challenge?
खाओगी भाई.
Oh shit.
आंखों में पानी आया.
Yogurt, yogurt, yogurt.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, the next one is with rice.
Okay. Rice and
Sambar.
sambar, yeah. It's a
Rice
combination.
and sambar.
Nice.
Like comfort food, you know, like a cozy food. It's not too spicy, but still flavorful. Piece of carrot.
Yeah.
Feeling all good about yourself because you're taking care of your health.
You are eating spicy food and see I'm crying. You can see my tear. You are having spicy
You're
food and I'm...
crying. Oh, Delhi boy. Delhi boy is being emotional again.
Oh what? Mosami juice.
What's up?
It's a juice of like, it's a species of orange. Have it and tell me.
Okay. Nice.
So guys, now we are going to the market and we'll negotiate the prices, okay? First I'll negotiate, then
Then I will negotiate. And then I will negotiate. Are you ready for this? Germany against India bargaining challenge.
always ready.
Set.
Chalo bhai. Guys, I'm 100% sure I'll win, but 1% who knows? She can also win.
I will win. I know how to bargain. Try me.
So you know how to bargain in India.
Yeah.
So guys, we are in the market. Let's bargain. This seems like a nice place. Yeah.
First, we have to establish the rules of the game.
Yeah, what are the rules?
Okay. The person that gets the price the lowest from, there's a difference from the starting price wins.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you get something from 20 down to 10 and I get something from 50 down to 20, I win.
Okay, come.
Which is probably what's gonna happen. So
अभी ये देखेगी भाई, आधा घंटा देखेगी. हाँ.
nice, right?
Yeah. Ready to lose. Ready to lose. Ready to lose.
I'm not gonna lose. You be prepared.
I'm
You're so
al-
overconfident.
I'm always confident. You took your piece. We have to negotiate.
Yeah. So I'm gonna get this one and I'm gonna bargain it down.
Let's see. भैया कितने की दी है?
350 में.
यार बहुत ज़्यादा लगा रहे हो भैया यार. कपड़ा भी इसका ऐसा सही है.
कपड़ा तो
हाँ?
कपड़ा अच्छा है.
थोड़ा अच्छा है. 150 की लगा लो यार. हाँ? नहीं. 150 नहीं.
300 लगा देगा.
हाँ?
300 350.
चलो यार 175 कर देते हैं.
ऐसा वाला नहीं.
175. हाँ?
ऐसा वाला नहीं हो सर.
देखो यार गंदी भी हो रखी है इसलिए कह रहा हूँ मैं. मिट्टी लगी हुई है.
हैंगिंग किया है तो थोड़ा तो रहेगा.
200 लगा लो यार फाइनल. है नहीं? चलो ठीक.
इतना तो नहीं. हमारा कुछ भी नहीं हो प्राइस आप बोल रहे हो.
आपको क्या प्राइस बताओ यार. थोड़ा सही तो लगाओ फिर. लास्ट बताओ.
350 बताया था. 300 लगा देते हैं बस.
ज़्यादा बता रहे हो यार. 200 बता दो. 200 में ले लूँगा. हाँ? नहीं है. ठीक है भाई. मैं तो नहीं कर पाया नेगोशिएट.
बस 250 लास्ट
हैं?
लगा देते हैं. 250 लगा देते हैं बस.
200 बताओ. 200.
200 में हमारा खरीद
ठीक
नहीं
है,
है.
कोई नहीं.
और 250 हमारा खरीदो आपको जो.
चलो भाई.
Okay, what's the price?
ये 650.
It's too much.
This is off season. This why I link this price. Season time I am selling little.
लाल हो गई हंसते हंसते। हंसकुरी है भाई ये। हंसकुरी। तुम्हारे बारे तो लगा दिया था यार।
No, I would realistically, I would take it for 300. Yes,
Give me, if you like, take 500, okay? Good price.
350.
500 is very good price.
But it has a hole.
Little, like,
It has a hole.
this way a little different. Less, no?
Yeah, but look, it has a hole. It's broken.
Yeah. Broken, no?
Yeah.
I'll show you. I'll show
No.
you. Like this.
Teaser.
Stitch. Stitch.
Okay, but therefore it's work. I have to take it to the tailor. So I also have to pay the tailor.
20 rupees, not more. 10, 20 rupees, not more.
Okay, because today I feel happy and nice. I buy it for 420.
How much you
You
together?
can't say no
okay?
to 420.
How much you together there?
Huh?
Together, how much?
That's note. I'm not buying. She'll only buy.
Ah.
This one, yeah?
420.
How much?
420. That's the rule. You're never allowed to say no to 420.
450, okay?
420.
450.
It's a beautiful number.
Yeah.
Ah.
450 you good, no?
I think about it. Okay, I think about it.
Not now?
Maybe another time. There's a cow.
Oh.
And it's not purple. I think about it.
Not now?
Not now.
Take now.
I think about it. You want too much.
How much
30
you
rupee means
300
that
take
is
now.
a lot.
300 take now.
300 take now.
Huh?
No, 420.
300 take now. 300 take now.
No, this
Huh?
one not my cost, no?
350 take now.
420, okay?
350 take now.
420.
420 she won't take. She was lying. I know. She won't take. 300 take now.
400.
300 take now.
400?
300 take now.
400 is
300
good
take
price,
now.
really. This
300.
is little
Okay, maybe I
problem.
have to try it on first.
See, little problem. This I also understand. No little problem.
Yeah,
This why I
yeah.
want to sell. No
300 take now.
300, no my cost.
350. Final. Brother, there's a hole. There's a hole in
This
there.
why I
There's a
also-
hole.
I also this why little smooth.
350, brother.
400.
350, brother. 350. Yeah. I'm from Delhi, brother. 350 final. 350.
Is good.
350.
Say 420, but I say 400.
350, bro.
400 is
350,
good
bro, because I have to.
Inside, really, inside no me profit. This is you good.
Brothers,
price,
350. I would
Little
have.
problem?
I would have bought it for 420, but there's a hole. See, it's a big hole.
no? Yeah, this way I good.
It's a manhole.
This way a little. This
Bro, 350, brother. Final 350. 350, brother. Brother, 350. Brother, 350. We will dance. 350. 350. No.
Okay, you guys can
Bro,
dance.
350.
There's no TikTok anymore, but we can have live TikTok dances.
350.
Yeah? Really?
I won the challenge. I won the
You
challenge.
won!
I won the
Ah!
challenge.
Okay, but I want to try it on the dress.
You can try. There's a trial room. Yeah, go.
Thank you.
I won.
Congratulations, you won the challenge.
We are having a fancy lunch tomorrow.
Fancy lunch tomorrow is on
Okay.
me.
Yeah. 350.
It's too big.
350.
It's too big.
Yeah, it's not looking nice. Even
It's
at
the
3.
wrong size.
This 350. This is my shop. You can take everything in 350. If you wanna shop in Goa, you can come to him. Very nice. Only 350 price. Every cloth 350. Every clothes you can get in 350. Really nice. Who won, guys? Who won? She was so confident. Arey, I know na. Bye, bhaiya. Bye. 350.
You got it down to 3. Okay, I didn't expect that.
Guys, she was like 420 is the last. They won't go below this. I won it. I was like, I was taking it lightly. Then I was like, no, it's a competition. I should go full in. Then I was,
you told him!
no,
told him it's
I
a
didn't tell him.
competition.
I was
Oh.
feeling. I thought this in my head. I was like, I should go full in.
Yeah, but I felt so bad for him because he was so nice and it was already actually cheap.
But that dress was not nice.
No, but actually it wasn't bad.
It was bad. It was bad. 350, guys. 350. Come to Goa. I can be a good salesman, right? Huh?
Yeah, you could be actually. Maybe you should do cold calling.
Guys, tomorrow she's taking me to a fancy lunch, okay?
Guys, we're at Goa Beach, one of them. And look how many cows are hanging out here.
Arambol Beach.
Like everywhere you go, the cows are just hanging out with the humans. It's like always humans, cows, and dogs. Ah. Baby, I can see your halo. Na, 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 na.
How much price? How much?
Now you look like Caesar, Julius Caesar.
Which Caesar?
Very nice.
Very nice.
हाँ
Thank you, Didi. You look nice on you. Ah.
बोनी नहीं हुआ
That looks nice.
एक ले लो दीदी के लिए एक ले लो अच्छा रहेगा
Let's see who can dance better. Come. I can. Nobody's looking at you. Come. Why you are afraid of public? Nobody's looking at us. Come.
No.
Everyone is looking at us, guys. Everyone is looking at us.
Guys,
IPL.
look, people are so crazy about cricket. Everywhere you go, you see people watching cricket. Even here at the beach. Over there, people are sitting.
वो चल रखा भाई IPL चल रखा भाई सट्टे लग रखे भाई
Everywhere. Even people in the shops, people in the kiosks. Everywhere. And a place in every bar. A place everywhere.
वैसे generally like originally she is from South Africa and we Indians like a player from South Africa, AB de Villiers.
I don't know. No.
Who are you? I don't know you. Why? You know Utkarsh, right? You know Utkarsh. Utkarsh knows everything. So indirectly, you know.
Indirectly. Okay. Okay, guys, I take it back.
Liz, you have to tell me honestly. Can I be a singer or not? Okay.
Sing something to me, and I'm gonna tell you.
Baby, baby, oh, thought you always be mine.
Maybe not.
Maybe not.
Maybe if you practice more.
Okay.
What about another song? Sing something in Hindi. Sing a Bollywood song to me.
Bollywood song, huh?
Yeah.
बोरे बोरे हमसे हम जरा बचना रे हमसे
Bure bure ham shaitan zara zara pachinala hamze. That's the way.
Mahi way.
I know another one. Dindina Sintunia, the Salaram, Dindina Sintunia.
कौन सा गा रही हो
I know another one. Na 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 no no.
दान दान दीप सूरी नु ना ना ले जावा दस्तूरी नु ओ भाई तो guys Liz just left me alone so now I'm alone
All the way by yourself. Okay, see who can push more.
you started first that's why oh
No, okay, you want it.
how's it
Tasty.
guys now we are going back to the cafe which we went in the evening let's see there is live
Oh yeah, the one. What was it called? In Between Nature.
yeah it was closed back then guys
Okay, guys, let's find out how it's like now.
vibe is on come
Yeah.
so guys vibe was nice but what was the issue
There was no vibe. There was no one there, and they wanted entrance.
it was empty and they were asking for entrance like they were
There
like
was a cover charge, but
there was a cover charge
there's
but
nothing going on.
yeah so they were saying okay we can give you a discount 200 per person but it's there's nothing
So
inside
what's the point? Oh, be careful!
chill Liz you are behind me
Bisuwas. Vicky Bisuwas.
So guys, tomorrow we'll figure out something. We haven't thought anything yet. What we will do, but we'll
What should we
have
do?
to. What should we do?
What should we do?
What should we do?
What should we
Bhaiya,
do?
what should we do?
What should we do?
सुबह सुबह बीच पे. Okay.
Ah?
First thing in the morning, beach. He's saying beach.
Yeah.
Okay. Beach. उसके बाद we'll go to casino tomorrow. Let's see. But casino is very far.
Oh, we go today. Casino.
Casino closes by 10. On scooty we can't go. We have to rent a car. Let's
Yeah.
see, because scooty it's very unsafe.
Yeah.
And she can't sit behind me. Guys, are you seeing her expression? I'm just like I'm just bluffing, just saying anything. She's like, oh, okay,
I'm the I'm the emojis becoming alive.
Yeah. Well, let's make a thing.
Okay.
We have to make different emojis. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Wait.
Who's good at making emoji faces?
Okay.
Oh,
Hey.
Sorry. Yeah.
Okay. I show the first emoji.
गाइस तुम्हारे भाई ने प्रोटीन शेक पिया है, मैडम ने पी है बियर भाई, है ना भाई? सच्ची बता दो, मैंने प्रोटीन शेक पिया ना? सच्ची बता रहा हूँ भाई, मैंगो प्रोटीन शेक पिया है
We
तुम्हारे
start with the first emoji.
Yeah.
This is the first
Huh?
emoji.
Smiley. Okay.
Okay.
I can't even hold that emoji. यार.
Next one.
ठीक है भाई, पहले में तो मैं फेल हो गया.
Okay. This is the next one.
ये कौन सा है?
This one.
Okay.
Okay.
Who was good at it? Comment down below. बता देना भाई कौन सा बढ़िया कर रहा है.
Okay. Now this one.
Yeah.
That's so dumb.
I look weird. Yeah. emoji कैसे बना लेता है भाई ये?
Okay. Next one.
What is this? Okay. Her face is an emoji face.
Yeah, it is.
Something tough,
Aye.
which you can't also make.
This one.
Acha, come. Yeah, this is
Okay.
good. Yeah. Okay, guys.
Next.
Next. Okay. I was just ending the vlog, but I'll end after next. Yeah.
Next.
Oh भाई, यो ना मानना भाई.
This
Okay.
one. This one.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh भाई.
Next.
You won, I'm telling you, you won. I'm done. Blush icon. Why did तो emoji face है इसका यार?
This one. Next.
ओ भाई तगड़ा यार तगड़ा. देख रहे हो भाई, टैलेंट है टैलेंट. ये तुम्हारे
Next.
भाई का भी सही था थोड़ा.
Next. Okay, this is tough one, but it's doable.
ओ भाई क्या है भाई ये? देखो तुमने मुंह टेढ़ा कर लिया इसने. ऐसे कर लिया हूँ. आपको हो सकता है, मेरा तो नहीं हो रहा. भाई आपका हो सकता है ऐसा हूँ.
Okay, now this one.
भाई अलग है भाई.
Next.
ये प्राणी अलग है, वो रुकी ना रही भाई. मैं रुक जा, मान जा. हाँ. पहले देख रही है वो कौन सा बना सकती है. अरे सारे बना सकती है भाई. फास्ट.
This one.
भाई मेरी मुंडी टूट जाएगी भाई, झटका आ गया गाइस. So okay guys,
Okay, fine. No.
that's it. This was it for this vlog. Hope to see you in the next one. Till
I
then-
hope so too.
Yeah.
Please be there.
Till then take care. मजे लेते रहो एक जिंदगी. और तुम्हें सबसे ज्यादा प्यार कौन करता है? तुम्हारे घर वाले और तुम्हारा भाई. And
Liz.
you love them, right? भैया आप भी बोल दो, बाय बोल
Do you know this heart?
दो. हाँ?
This one?
Yeah. Guys, we love you. Guys, we love you.
Mwah.
Okay, bye.